I'll cease being the chairman of the OECS. It is, as you know, this is in terms of alphabetical order. St. Lucia, we have to yield to St. Vincent. So Prime Minister Ralph Gonsalves will become the president of the OECS. So I'll be traveling to St. Vincent tomorrow to officially hand over the chairmanship of the OECS to Prime Minister Ralph Gonsalves. There's also be a meeting of the OECS Assembly, which is a creature of the OECS, of the OECS agreement. So the Assembly will meet tomorrow morning in St. Vincent at 9 o'clock. The OECS Assembly will meet. Members of the opposition have been invited, and there'll be that meeting, and in the evening there'll be the official handover of chairmanship of the authority to the Honorable Ralph Gonsalves, Prime Minister of St. Vincent.